Manipur University ki Research and Development Cell amasung Manipur Institute of Management Studies MIMS kapunna sinduna Academic Writing Research and Publications haiba hiramda chayolama chathagadaba workshop program hwdokhre thorom amangasi MU ke VC Court Hall da hwdokhre thorom aduda Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor N Lokendra Singh na chief guest Research and Development Cell MU ki Director Professor CH Ibohal Maitai na President Professor Memsa Loitongbam Dean School of Social Sciences MU Professor Laisram Prabhakar Singh, Director MIMS MU Madi, Professor Anis Gupta Singh, Department of Economics, Delhi School of Economics, DU na Chingmana Guest of Honor Singh Wena Saruyaki. Chief Guest ki Warolda MU ke VC and Lokendra na Haikivada, NEP 2020 lakh pada ahongba kaya lakh pana UG amadi PG course Singh da choba Singh na bamagaloy na mairoi Singh na tongan ba interdisciplinary course Singh da tamba yabagaloy na knowledge hengat pang ngambagaloy na masina. Ahinba research tawbada khudong saba piragani haiki. Thoromga mari lena Research and Development Cell MU ke Director Professor CH Ibohal Maitai na haikivada. Haugalak liba research scholar faculty members singda yamna quality lena research tawnabagi pandamda program asi shinbani NEP 2020 ki matung ina ahinba research tawduna India si malem ki chokat lamzel da khumang choksinna chatpada tongan ba hiramda kong thangjinbana chatpagi tangai fadaba leibana ngasi ki thoram asida saruyari ba singna achoba thodang lobang ngamlagani haiki workshop asida mapandagi maming leraba institute singdagi mioi kayana session kayada wangangani hairi.
The world of academics, teaching and learning has undergone a sea change. It's a complete paradigm shift. Because many of the earlier stereotypes have been, it's knowledge oriented. There is no question of having any bar on subject combination now. That's why when we prepare the curriculum and a syllabus for undergraduate and postgraduate, we have made it possible for science students to come to fine arts and dance.
Manipur University Research and Development Cell amasung Manipur Institute of Management Studies ani na kusab na rakada koigi 1 week workshop haijabatare 1 week workshop on academic writings, research and publication. So koi shinjat bagi mapung ba pandam di young learners, young scholars inside the research ki input se yang quality leina koi work tong na ba aduga ma outcomes ina tongan ba area the solution se pibangam na ba adugi pandam dani maram di kai no haba kanda hoji NEP 2020 lakpa aduga India ki oina so Viksit Bharat ki dream amada sahi chama surakpa Independence Day ki tharom dadi India se developed nation ama oinana bagi pandam do thami